限量版发行100张，但是实际上达不到100张，因为太好了，太有收藏的价值了。这个肯定难免的，卖家就会内部就消化了。内部是一个牛皮纸，咱们再继续看一个开箱体验还可以吧，常规的那种体验。先看卡，后看配件。先看卡，这声音很大呀，冰冰凉凉的感觉，拿着手。显卡的正面有3枚风扇，中间这个风扇是稍稍的要比两侧的小一点点。它这个风扇是用那种双轴承的一个风扇，不是凸层风扇。这种风扇好处就是看一看，这个比以往的卡，比这个通常的占用2个 PCI 的卡要厚一些。虽然是2个 PCI 的槽，但是它实际上相当于3张卡，非常的厚，而且也非常的长。这里这个 logo 是可以亮的，8+8+8，3超豪华供电，全国据说只有100片。这里隐藏了一个调 BIOS 的超频按钮，非常的小。这里有一个风扇的独立供电，可以外接风扇。接口方面，双 EP 双 SDMI 2个大风扇，这2个大风扇中间带了一个小风扇，而且这个卡非常的高，比 PCI 还要厚出很多。除此之外还带了一个支架，这种可以调节的。它这个风扇是用那种双轴承的一个风扇，不是轴的，也不是那个磁悬浮的，它就是一种轴承风扇。这种风扇好处就是使用寿命长，噪音小，在用很长一段时间以后呢，噪音依然是非常的小。这个光圈这个地方都是有灯效的，包括这里什么材料呢？像是那塑胶材料。
I didn't properly introduce myself back there. Most folks call me Dutch. I've been trying to piece together what's happening up top. It ain't good. Just take the gun from my safe. We need to secure this island if we're gonna get your partners back. Be careful out there. It's crawling with Peggy's. Those fuckers are willing to die for that psychopath that's... I've got cameras set up all over this island. I'll keep an eye out for anything useful. For now, head south and take out any culture you see. And help any folks in need, would you? Dutcha. We're gonna be more dramatic. You don't have to be a hero. I thought it was that far. Hey, miss, come on over. These loony fanatics are out of control. If you want to protect yourself, I think there's a prepper stash near the boathouse. You should have some gear school, eh? Fuck, kid! You hit pay dirt! That's the location of a prepper stash. If you can find your way inside, there's usually a bunch of useful shit that's been squirreled away. Go take a look.
Jesus Christ. Rook, I'm sorry. I thought they got you. Come on, come on. Come on, check the room, Rook. Oh, Jesus. I had no idea. Fuck. We're putting this whole family away. All of them. Fucking lunatics. We're gonna get out of this, Rookie. First things first, gotta arm ourselves. Here. All right, here's what we're gonna do. There's a road out there. We're gonna take it, we're gonna head northeast. It's probably only a few hours back to Missoula. And then we're gonna come back here with a goddamn National Guard, and we're gonna take out the rest of these. Okay.